In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Bank of America to PayPal step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to link your accounts, move your funds, and what to expect along the way, so there are no surprises. First, sign in to Bank of America using online banking or the mobile app. Make sure you're on a secure connection and the official site or app. Once you're in, you'll be using the transfers section. We're not doing a wire here. PayPal doesn't accept wires for this purpose, so everything runs through a standard bank-to-bank ACH transfer. Before you link anything, have your PayPal routing and account numbers ready. These are the numbers PayPal provides for direct deposit to your PayPal balance. You can find them inside your PayPal settings under account or direct deposit details. Double check them for accuracy. One digit off can delay or reverse a transfer. Now, in Bank of America, add PayPal as an external account. When prompted, enter PayPal's routing and account numbers exactly as shown. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the link. Some accounts may require extra confirmation based on your bank's security steps, so just proceed as directed. It also helps if the name on your Bank of America profile matches the name on your PayPal account to avoid hiccups. Once the link is in place, choose to transfer money to your PayPal account and enter the amount you want to move. Be mindful of your available balance and any daily transfer limits. Leaving a little cushion in your bank account helps avoid overdraft issues. If you're unsure about fees, check your Bank of America fee schedule, but standard ACH transfers are typically free. Before sending, review every detail, the external account labeled for PayPal, the amount, and the transfer direction. When everything looks right, confirm the transfer. You should see a confirmation screen, and you can monitor the status in your transfer activity. Funds usually take 1 to 3 business days to appear in PayPal. Because this is ACH, weekends and bank holidays don't count as business days, so timing may extend a bit. That's normal. If it's been longer than expected, check your transfer history in Bank of America and your recent activity in PayPal to see where things stand. For smooth transfers, make sure your PayPal account is verified and in good standing. Verified accounts are less likely to encounter delays. That's the whole process. Log in, link PayPal using its routing and account numbers, enter your amount, and confirm. You'll be transferring confidently in no time.